To my channel, and here we are going to solve this problem, as we are told here that we should convert the orthographic views here to isometric. And looking at these orthographic views, we are given these views in third angle projection, meaning that this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. So with all that we are given here, let's see the dimensions for the plan. Distance from here to here is 110 millimeters. And looking at the front elevation, we have that distance from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20. And coming to the end elevation, we have that distance from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20. Then we have that distance from here to here is also 20, and from here down here to this line is 20 millimeters, and from here to here is 20 millimeters. So then this is a question that is been long, and the reason why I want to work on this is that they may bring it back. Okay, so that's why I want to work on it. And then in the front elevation, the lowest point X is not indicated, so I'm going to take this point as the lowest point X. Okay, so this is the lowest point. All right, so this is the lowest point here. Okay, then this point also I will take it as the lowest point in the plan. And then now there's another thing that I want to let you know here. So this is the right end elevation. Know that in the third angle projection, the right end elevation is always placed on the right side of the front elevation. If it is the left end elevation, it will be placed on the left end or left side of the front elevation. So let's see how this construction can be done. Then we'll come back after we have done it and analyze what we have gotten. So just follow me to do this work. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do when it comes to conversion of orthographic view into isometric view is that we draw horizontal line. So I will draw the horizontal line, just a short horizontal line here. So then with my 30-degree set square, I'm going to draw a line in this direction. So I will draw a line in this direction. Okay, then with the same 30-degree set square, I'm going to draw a line in this direction. Okay, so which means that this point here is my lowest point X, so we need to indicate it. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is that I will draw a short vertical line here at this point, so or I'll make it long because of what I want to produce, so I make it long like this. Now what I want to do is that I want to form a cuboid with length 110 millimeters, and then the height of the cuboid will be 60 millimeters, that is 20 plus 20 plus 20, that's 60 millimeters, and the width will also be 60 millimeters based on what we are given here. This is the end elevation. Okay, so I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters along this line. So 60 millimeters along this line, this is 60 millimeters. Then on this, I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters. Then coming here, I will take a measurement of 110 millimeters. So this is 110 millimeters here. Alright, so at this point, we are going to draw a vertical line on each of these points. So we draw a vertical line here, and coming here also, so we draw a vertical line at this point. So this is the vertical line. So now, so I need to transfer this point to this end here. So here I will draw this line in this direction. So then I will transfer this. So transfer it here like this. So then I'm going to transfer this, as I said that I want to construct a cuboid. So from that cuboid, I bring out the shape of the object. So I will draw this line in this direction. Then for this one, so I need to make sure this line touch each other. Okay, so then I can transfer this one here to the other side. Alright, so now, so from this, as I said that I'm going to bring out the shape of the object. So let's start and look at what we have. Now, So what I need to do, I want to bring out this rectangle that we have here, so which should be on this side, and distance from here to here is 20. So I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So 20 millimeters on this line, this is 20 millimeters. So this 20 millimeters, I will transfer it. So I'll transfer it. So I'll transfer it here like this. So I brought out that rectangle. So then coming to the front elevation, we have this shape in the front elevation. We have this shape in the front elevation. Apart from this one, we have this shape in the front elevation. So let's bring it out. We have it along this side. So what I need to do is that I need to draw this line. I need to draw it to this side. Okay. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is that so I need to get the distance from here to here. As we have it in the plan, we have to bring out this shape out here on this surface in the plan. On this surface here, I have to bring it out. So distance from here to here is equal to 60 millimeters. If you add these 20 millimeters together, so I'll just take 60 millimeters here. So taking a measurement of 60 millimeters from this end to this point here. Okay, then I'm going to join this point together. So I will join these 2 points together. So that shape that we have in the plan has come out. That is what we have here. So that is what gives us this shape here, this point. Okay, so then we can go on and bring out this shape as we have in the front elevation. So what I need to do now is that I will draw a vertical line at this point to bring out that shape of the front elevation. So we have what? We have this like this. Okay, so now the next thing that I'm going to do is that we need to bring out these rectangles that we have here. So not rectangle, but it looks like okay with this bend. So we need to bring them out. So which means we also need to produce a line like this up here. So what I will just do is that I'm going to join this point together, these 2 points. I'm going to join them together like this. Okay, so I believe you can see what I have done. So the next that we are going to do is that we need to bring out this shape, and this shape. Now, then here we have that distance from, looking at what we have here, so we see the distance from here to here on the end elevation. So on the elevation that we are going to have it, and it's 20. So what I'm going to do is that you cannot take it along this line. It will not work. So what you need to do is that, so come to this end here and take 20. So from this end, so here I have 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters. So the rest is 20 millimeters. So then I'm going to transfer it. So I will transfer them. Okay, so I'll transfer them here like this. Okay, then also I will transfer this here like this. Okay, so then this point, so I'll bring out, I will take down a vertical line from this point. Okay, so from this point also I will take down a vertical line. Okay, so these vertical lines that I've drawn, so we need to bring out this shape that we see on the end elevation, and this eye is going to look on the front elevation when we are looking at it in this direction. So distance from here to here is 20. So I will take a distance of 20 millimeters down from this point, 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters here at this point. Okay, so then I will come here also and take 20 millimeters. This is 20 millimeters here. So I'm going to use my black pen so to produce that line. So so we join this together from here to here. Okay, then another thing that we have here is that I will also make this line a thick line. Okay, I will also make this line a thick line. Also this line here, I'm going to make it a thick line. Okay, so this line here, from here down, so make it a thick line, and this line, so we also make this a thick line. then come here. So this line will make it a thick line. We are not done, so I'm just trying to do this. So we produce those lines there. Alright, so then this thing is a cut, so we need to make sure we show that it's a cut, so you can't just leave it like this. So what we need to do is that, so we draw a line, so from this point, so we draw from here to here, okay, so and it goes like this, okay, so it's supposed to go into this. So then, and coming to this point here, at this point we are going to draw a vertical line, so we drop a vertical line here like this. So this is what makes the work to be a completed work. So what we just need to do now is to bring out the shape, so making this with thick lines. Okay, so I'll pause the video and do that. When I'm done, you will see how it will look. Alright, so this is the object as we're asked to do it. So let's analyze what we have here. So for the front elevation, which we have here, so we have this shape like this. So this is what we have here. And then this shape that we have here, so that looks like this, so is giving us this shape that we have here. So that's it. Then for the top view, which is the plan, so we have this shape here like this. This shape that we have here, so we have it here in the middle here, and this shape here is here. And then so this shape that we have here, so it's what we have here. Then coming to the end elevation, this rectangle is here, and this shape that we have here is this shape. So as I said, that this end elevation is the right end elevation, as it is in third angle projection. It will be drawn on the right side of the front elevation. So this is the isometric view that we asked to produce. It's as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and God bless you.